guys, I'm on the park right now, but it's kinda hot outside today. It's literally like it's burning. I feel like I'm burnt alive. But the park is pretty cool and it's quite nice. Yes. But I can recommend you just don't run because of these things. Yeah. Today is quite breezy today, but kinda hot. But earlier afternoon it's really hot. And just like I needed to take a bath like 3 times. Because how hot is it today? But this is quite relaxing, just walk around the park. Yeah. It is the new building. Yeah. That used to be